Okay, my Thor4 stopped charging. It was working fine. This strap broke, so I let it sit for a few weeks, and now it doesn't charge anymore. Mine doesn't seem to be dead. See, if I press it down, it counts, but I see there it goes. And when I put the charger, it doesn't show anything that is charging. So the next thing is test the charger. See, 5 volts. Well, close to. So the charger is good. Now on the phone, well, and the watch actually. See, 0.01. No menos 0.08 volts. So there is some voltage on the batteries. It's just that it's not charging. So I'm gonna open it up and see what happens. So I got the connectors here. This is the screen. This one seems to be the battery. Just two connectors. Has to be the battery. So I'm gonna try a bad connection here. I'm gonna spray this connector cleaner solution and see if that one takes care of the problems. But let's go easy first. I think this is the side. This one right here. This one has to be the battery. Yeah, see here? Let's throw this solution. It's a cleaning solution. I'm gonna throw it away there. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit here for a good while and see if that takes care of the issue. Okay, the cleaning solution didn't work. So now let's check first the battery. See the voltage there? Here. It's 369. It's supposed to be 3.8. So next thing, I don't want to take it out. I'm gonna do the shock. Okay, let's go for a shot. That's my phone. So we're gonna shoot it to, that's my little power supply. I start with 7 volts. Put like 7 volts. There you go, it's a little shock of 7 volts. Let's see what happens. We go. Let's hope it doesn't blow up. This side is the plus, this is the minus, so let me do the minus. Just about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go for a second shock. You guys got a heart attack. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's see what happens now. So the shock didn't help, so let me take it apart. Maybe it's just a bad connection on the charger side. These screws are tight. I don't know what kind of tool they used to put it on, but I'm getting them out. Okay, one is out finally. Let's take this other one out. I should flip. Yeah, it's coming out. Alright. Out. It seems to be the same size. Huh? My old trick. I don't know how they put it so tight. Let's see if we can get it out now. I think I got it. It's kind of weird, but yeah, the whole thing seems to be pulling out. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, finally I got it out. Seems like the whole thing is right here. I have to take it. That's the bloody battery. That's the speaker. I think it has to be the connector. There's a connector here. This is the connector. But where does it get the voltage to? What is this? Oh, that's the SIM card. This is the mic. But how does it get the power from here to this one? So my guess is that this is a bad connection here. It is a bad connection. I just saw it, it's cracked. That's what it is. Alright. See here, this is all corroded. I think this is the problem. Okay, it's got a magnet. It's actually here. If you look at the connections here, see, I pulled it. This is the connector. See? It's all what is all corroded. I'm gonna clean it up. I think that's it. See there? Even the points down there are completely kaput. So I just need that clean up. And clean it up nicely. I think that should take care of it. Alright. All dirty. Have to clean all this junk. See here? Charger was not going, that's what it was. Alright. That's all there was to it. See? It's charging now. That was a corroded connection, that's all it was. The bloody thing is booting up. See? Still on the charger, but there it goes, it's charging. Hallelujah! It's working. Little icon right there, what is it? Right there. Sounds like it's got like 70%. Let me get a full charge and get my phone back to life. So it's done.